Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy 2-ingredient mango ice cream. It's dairy free and it makes such a lovely refreshing dessert, and it's super quick and simple to put together. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions, as well as loads of variations and extra ingredients you can add in to make your own personalized mango ice cream. So click through for that, and be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So the 2 ingredients that you'll need are mangoes. I've got this bag of frozen mangoes. I'm going to use the whole bag. I make this for my family of 4, but you could just halve the recipe or just add a quarter of it if you want instead to make a smaller portion, but I'm using frozen mangoes and I'm using coconut milk. It's just the perfect creamy, just luxurious ingredient to make a lovely ice cream, and I find that I use the whole can, the whole bag, and it just makes the perfect consistency of ice cream for me. If you want to change up the ratios, you can feel free to make it thicker or to make it a little creamier. It is up to you. So let me show you how to make it. Okay, I've opened up my can of coconut milk. I've put the whole bag of mango into my blender, and I'm just going to pour all the lovely creaminess on. It's nice and creamy, so really, if you want as well, you can put your can of coconut milk into the fridge and it thickens up even more and it makes it more of an ice creamy treat. Okay, I've sealed up my blender. Let's pop it on to blend. There you go, it's done, and now I'll just show you how beautiful it looks inside. And you can see if you pop a spoon into it, you've got a lovely ice cream texture. It's just nice and creamy and perfect ice cream, and you can enjoy it straight from there. Or I just pour it out into bowls for the family so we can each have a lovely refreshing treat of this 2-ingredient mango ice cream. But that is the video for today for how to make this 2-ingredient mango ice cream. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.